I recently picked up this URREA 27 millimeter wrench, and the reason why I needed this wrench is because a 27 millimeter is one of those odd sizes that doesn't come in a lot of the standard wrench kits that you may purchase. And I looked through my toolbox and I just did not have a 27 millimeter, and I was replacing the EGR valve on one of my vehicles, and it called for a 27 millimeter, so I decided to take a chance with this URREA wrench, and I have definitely been pleased with its performance. Its build quality is solid, but it's also light, if that makes sense to you. It's not a labor or a chore to hold this. So I like that about it. A solid build, and you see this point down here. Unlike other wrenches that would have a little line across here, you actually have another contact point where you can make contact with your bolt. And I'll show you a clip here. When I was working on the EGR valve on my vehicle, I actually needed that additional surface area because that bolt was difficult to come out. So this additional point definitely helped me out when I was working on my vehicle, where I needed more contact, and I also needed some additional leverage to remove that EGR valve. So if you're looking for a quality 27 millimeter at a great price point, definitely give this URREA here some consideration.